So let's create an essay assignment. And here, we're actually going to have them submit an APA research paper. So, if I go to my drive.google.com, and this is just my Wright Institute account, General Drive, I'm going to hit New, pick Google Doc, and instead of just clicking on this, actually go to this drop-down and pick From a Template. This will open some pre-made templates, some of which are very useful. If I hit General, you'll see that there are a number of different templates I can have my students use. In this case, we'd like an APA research report. So I'm going to pick this one. And you can see that in this Google template, sections are set up for them so that their formatting is correct. And they're actually going to write their own paper within the template. So we'll call this research paper. Now that's in my drive. And you can see there's my research paper. So I'll go back to my classroom and make the actual assignment. Let's hit Create, choose Assignment. We'll call this research paper and say use the attached template to write your research paper. Now, I just saved that template in my drive, so I'm going to hit Add and choose Google Drive. This takes me to my own drive. It starts you out by default on what you've recently opened in your drive. Let's just click My Drive. That's everything that's in there. And I'm going to search the name of it. Research paper. There it is. Or you can see if I hit search, it will search everything with those words in it. That's my new one. I just made it. So I'll pick that one and hit Add. Students can view file. I actually want to make a copy for each student so that each student automatically gets a copy of the template in their own class drive folder. They can then actually edit that template to make their own paper without having to copy and paste anything. So let's pick Make a Copy for each student. Here, let's give it a grade category and say that this is the reflection paper since this is just an example. I'll give it a due date. And when I give it a due date, it shows up automatically on my students' class calendars. And I'll pick the topic that it goes in. So let's use the same rubric that we used on our previous assignment. I'm going to hit Add Rubric and choose Reuse Rubric. We made a rubric for an assignment called Cats and Dogs that I want to use to grade this research paper as well. So I'm going to pick the Cats and Dogs rubric and hit Select. That automatically loads this rubric. If I click on it, I can actually edit it by hitting these dots. Say there are some, I want most of it, but I want to make some changes. I'm not going to make any changes here, so we'll close it up again and go ahead and hit Assign. Now you can see the research paper assignment, and each of my students will have a template which they use to write their own papers and turn them in. And we'll cover how to grade this in a later video.